again, and welcome to endofturn.com code tutorial number 1. We're zero indexed, by the way, so 1 is actually the second. Okay, so we left you at hello world typing out, or printing out, hello world to the console. So if we continue from here, we're going to start taking input now from the user. Okay, so instead of hello world, let's delete all that. We'll leave this in. This just stops our application closing until we press enter. Basically, because console.readline waits for the enter key, so the end of a line, and it takes whatever was written on that line and stores it into a string like that. If you hover over readline, you can see it returns a string console readline. That means it returns a string. So we have a string, calling it input. Okay, but I didn't have that before, and I don't have it now, because we don't actually want to do anything with that string. We're just waiting for them to press enter, so we know we can close the window. Okay, so we're going to take user input. So we're going to ask for your name, very similar to hello world, but it will be hello name. So if we say name equals, and as I've just showed you, console.readline. Okay, so that's going to take whatever the person types until the end of line character, which is given by the return key, the enter key, and then put whatever was on that line into name. We want to ask for that name though, so if we write console.write, okay, we used write line before, we're going to use write now because we don't want to put the end of line character on. You'll see why in a minute. Enter your name. Okay, so remember in the end of the line with the semicolon, and we have a string which is in quotes, so it knows it's a string, knows what to do with it. Otherwise it would be like typing name. Name isn't in quotes, so if we put anything here, so if I just cut that for a minute, put hello you. Okay, IntelliSense has tried to help a lot there, and actually has no idea what these are. It assumes they're variables, which they're not. So let's just put that back. Okay, so we want the console to write, enter your name, and remember it's not write line, it's just write, so we're going to continue writing here when it comes up in the console window. And we're going to take whatever they've written and store it in a variable called name. Yep, name. And then like text, we can write that out. So console.writeLine, we can actually do hello, okay, and then we're going to concatenate strings. I'll show you a better way to do this momentarily, but for now we concatenate strings. So we use that plus and we say hello and name. So what that's doing is, well, we could do it up here actually, string text equals hello plus name. Okay, so that's adding the string hello, the string literal hello, a string literally in the application, literally a string. We're going to concatenate it, add it to name. Name is whatever gets written after this, and we're going to put that into text, and then down here we can print out text. Okay, so if we run that, enter your name. My name is Jack. Enter. Hello Jack. Press enter to exit. Done. Okay, there's actually a better way we can do this, which is called string format, which is built into, in our case, it is built into WriteLine. So if we actually give this hello and then that, okay, so that's saying hello, and then we're saying we're going to give you something, index 0 in this list. So we can have as many things as we want here. You know, name, and we can keep going forever, and it will take the first one and replace that 0 with that. It would replace 1 with that, 2 with that. So we only have 1 in this case. So we're going to do that. So it's going to take whatever name is and put it there. Okay, we run that again. Enter your name, Jack. Hello, Jack, exclamation mark. Okay, that was included because I put it up there. Fantastic. And that is how to take user input and print it out again.